How to use Texthero to prep a text-based dataset for your NLP project. Natural language processing (NLP) is one of the most important fields of study and research in today's world. It has many applications in the business sector such as chatbots, sentiment analysis, and document classification. Preprocessing and representing text is one of the trickiest and most annoying parts of working on an NLP project. Text-based datasets can be incredibly thorny and difficult to preprocess. But fortunately, the latest Python package called Texthero can help you solve these challenges. Texthero is a simple Python toolkit that helps you work with a text-based dataset. It provides quick and easy functionalities that let you preprocess, represent, map into vectors and visualize text data in just a couple of lines of code. Texthero is designed to be used on top of pandas, so it makes it easier to preprocess and analyze text-based pandas series or data frames. If you are working on an NLP project, Texthero can help you get things done faster than before and gives you more time to focus on important tasks. Note, the Texthero library is still in the beta version. You might face some bugs and pipelines might change. A faster and better version will be released and it will bring some major changes. Texthero has 4 useful modules that handle different functionalities that you can apply in your text-based dataset. This module allows for the efficient pre-processing of text-based pandas series or data frames. It has different methods to clean your text dataset, such as lowercase, remove HTML tags, and remove URLs. This module has different algorithms to map words into vectors such as TF-IDF, GLOV, Principal Component Analysis (PCA), and Term Frequency. The last module has 3 different methods to visualize the insights and statistics of a text-based pandas data frame. It can plot a scatter plot and word cloud. Texthero is free, open source, and well documented. To install it, open a terminal and execute the following command: pip install Texthero. The package uses a lot of other libraries on the back end such as Gensum, Spacy, scikit-learn, and NLTK. You don't need to install them all separately. Pip will take care of that. In this article, one will use a news dataset to show you how you can use different methods provided by Texthero's modules in your own NLP project. Import pandas as PD, then we'll load a dataset from the data directory. The dataset for this article focuses on news in the Swahili language. As you can see, in our dataset we have 3 columns: id, content, and category. For this article we will focus on the content feature. News content, head. We have created a new data frame focused on content only. And then we'll show the top 5 rows. News content equals hero, clean, news content. The clean method runs 7 functions when you pass a pandas series. These 7 functions are: if the default pipeline from the clean method does not fit your needs, you can create a custom pipeline with the list of functions that you want to apply in your dataset. News content equals news content, pipe, hero, clean. Custom pipeline. You can see the clean dataset we have created by using custom pipeline. Here are some other useful functions from preprocessing modules that you can try to clean your text-based dataset. Tokenize each row of the given pandas series by using the tokenize method and return a pandas series where each row contains a list of tokens. Texthero contains different method to visualize insights and statistics of a text-based pandas data frame. If you want to know the top words in your text-based dataset, you can use the top words method from the visualization module. This method is useful if you want to see additional words that you can add to the stop words lists. This method does not return a bar graph, so I will use matplotlib to visualize the top words in a bar graph. A word cloud method from the visualization module plots an image using word cloud from the word cloud package. Hero, word cloud, news content, clean content. Max words equals 100. We passed the data frame series and number of maximum words. For this example, it is 100 words in the word cloud method. Texthero contains different methods from the representation module that help you map words into vectors using different algorithms such as TF-IDF, Word2Vec, or GLOV. In this section I will show you how you can use these methods. You can represent a text-based pandas series using TF-IDF. I created a new pandas series with 2 pieces of news content and represented them in TF-IDF features by using the TF-IDF method. We will use only the first 30 pieces of cleaned content from our news content data frame and cluster them into groups by using the k-means method. In the above source code. In the pipeline of the k-means method we passed the number of clusters, which is 5. This means we will group these contents into 5 groups. You can also use the PCA method to perform principal component analysis on the given pandas series. Principal component analysis (PCA) is a technique for reducing the dimensionality of your datasets. This increases interpretability but at the same time minimizes information loss. In this example we use the TF-IDF features from the news data frame and represent them into 2 components by using the PCA method. Finally, we will show a scatterplot by using the scatterplot method. In this article, you've learned the basics of how to use the Texthero toolkit Python package in your NLP project. You can learn more about the methods available in the documentation. You can download the dataset and notebook used in this article here. If you learned something new or enjoyed reading this article, please share it so that others can see it. Until then, see you in the next post. I can also be reached on Twitter at Davis_McDavid. Data scientist, AI practitioner and trainer, software developer, giving talks. Teaching, writing, author at FreeCodecamp News. Reach out to me via Twitter at Davis_McDavid. Learn to code for free. FreeCodecamp's open source curriculum has helped more than 40,000 people get jobs as text source. freecodecamp.org